Standard 10th Maths, Chapter 7, Mensuration, Unit Exercise 7. So, creative sums. This exercise contains all the creative sums. First question, the barrel of a fountain pen cylindrical in shape is 7 cm long and 5 mm in diameter. A full barrel of ink in the pen will be used for writing 330 words on an average. How many words can be written using a bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter? See here they mentioned the pen, it is in the shape of a cylinder. So they mentioned the barrel of a fountain, but just you can have the pen in the shape of a cylinder. Pen in cylinder shape. Its height is given as 7 cm long, that is long 7 cm, and 5 mm in diameter. So diameter of the cylinder is 5 mm, that is radius is 5/2 millimeter. So here I am going to convert this millimeter into centimeter. So 10 in your scale, here we use that 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter. Here this much of millimeter you have, therefore you divide this by 10. So 5/2 into 10 centimeter. So that is equal to 5, here it goes 2 times, 2 2s are 4, 1/4 centimeter. So the pen cylinder shape height is 3 centimeter and the radius is 1/4 centimeter. So adjust, it has full of the ink you have. So using that ink we are writing 330 words in the full of pen which contains the ink. Using to write that, we can write 330 words. So first find the volume of the pen. V is equal to pi r squared h cubic units. So pi is 22/7. R is 1/4 into 1/4 and h is equal to 7. H is 7 centimeter. So the 7 cancel, 2 goes here, 2 2s are 4, 11 2s are. So I am getting the answer 11 by 2 2s are, 2 4s are 8 centimeter cube. So the volume of the ink in one pen is 11/8 centimeter cube. So you see, using this ink, volume of ink, I can write that. How many words here? 330 words. So using 11/8 centimeter cube of ink, 330 words can be written. Okay, you keep this as it is. Next you see here, we have a bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter, not 1 liter, 1/5 of the liter. Volume of the ink bottle. Ink bottle is equal to 1/5 of the liter. 1 liter, in 1 liter, how many centimeter cube we have? 1000. So 1000 centimeter cube. So what about the 1/5 of this 1000 centimeter cube? So volume of ink in the bottle is 1/5. 1 liter, I convert it into 1000 centimeter cube. So 5 here, it goes 200. So 200 centimeter cube. So this much of ink you have in the bottle. So if I fill this in the pen, so how many words you can write using this 200 centimeter cube of ink? So I write using 200 centimeter cube of ink, the number of words. See how many words we write here in the volume of ink. 11 by 8 centimeter cube. In 11 by 8 centimeter cube of ink, I can write 330. So in 200 centimeter of cube, how many words can be written? So just simplify this. 330 into reciprocal 8 by 11 into 200. So see here, this 11 goes here 30 times. 3 11s are 33, 30 times. So 30 into 8 into 200. So 30 into 8 is 240 into 200. So this is equal to 3 zeros. 2 in 24 you have 48. So 48,000 words can be written from the bottle of ink, 1/5 of the liters of ink. So just write 48,000 words can be written using 1/5 liters of ink. See, a hemispherical tank of radius 1.75 meter is full of water. It is connected with the pipe which empties the tank at the rate of 7 liters per second. How much time will it take to empty the tank completely? You have the tank in the hemisphere shape. So hemisphere tank, its radius is given 1.75 meter. So just let me convert this into the centimeter. So 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So R is equal to, so I multiply this by 100. So I am getting 175 centimeter. So R is 175 centimeter. Now find the volume of this hemisphere. 2 by 3 pi r cube, cubic units. So V is equal to 2 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, R is 175 into 175 into 175. So here I can cancel this by 7. 2 7s are 14, remainder 3, 35. 5 7s are 35. So you will get here, so if you multiply this and 2244 into this number, you are getting, see 22 into 2 is 44 into 25 is 100, 1100, 175 into 175, 30,625. You keep this 3 in the denominator. So this much of centimeter cube. So the volume of this tank, hemispherical tank, which can hold this much centimeter cube of water. I am going to convert this into liter. So 1000 centimeter cube makes 1 liter. So in order to convert this into liter, I'm going to divide by 1000. 110 into 30625 divided by 3 into 1000 into 1000. So we do the calculation here. So just you have here 0, 2 0 cancel and you multiply this number. So this number you will get 336,875 divided by 3 into 10. So if I divide this number by 3, you will get 1 time, 2 3s are 6, again 2 3s are 6, carry over to 9, 1 3s are 3.66 divided by 10. So here again I divide by 10, 1 1 2 2 9. So this point will move towards this right side. So 166. So when it is more than 5 we can add 1, but it is less than 5. So I write the whole number 11,229 liters. So the volume of the tank is 11,229 liters. This much of water the tank can hold. So here the next line is, it is connected with the pipe which empties the tank at the rate of 7 liters per second. For 1 second, 7 liters of water emptied. That is, it is just comes out from through the pipe. Therefore, this much of liters when it comes out from the tank, how much time we need? So, for 1 second we get 7 liters. Therefore, for 11,229 liters of water. So emptied in 11,229 by 7. So for 1 second, this much 7 liters of water means how many 7 liters in this much of liters. So you are getting here, so seconds. So if you divide this, 1604 seconds. So this much of water can emptied in 1604 seconds. So you can convert this into minutes also. Minutes, how much of time they ask. So just you convert this into minutes. So 60 seconds make 1 minute. So I divide this by 60. 1604 by 60 minutes. So that is, if I divide, I am getting 26.7 minutes. So that is approximately equal to 27 minutes. 27 minutes. So we need 27 minutes to empty the tank. We need 27 minutes to empty the tank. Thank you.